I wonder what the clouds did. I wonder if the earth stood still in the moment they announced it, decreeing that on this day, the 4th of September, into the world now has entered a girl whose heart will glow like an ember, who will grow to become a force to remember. I wonder what song did the birds sing? If the eagle with outstretched wings became a choir conductor to a chorus of birdsong, orchestrating mocking jays and hummingbirds into strumming words, making a melody to this day that none have heard, serenading and celebrating that her time in the womb had ran its course and that in this spring season she had finally sprang forth. I wonder, how did the flowers stand? At attention or at ease? On that day, what kind of fragrance did they release? Is that the day that the flowers of spring changed their names to forget-me-nots and morning glories, so they could find a place in the wonderful story of the Prophetess Ruth, a name which means a vision of beauty, a soldier on a mission of compassionate duty. So it would be no wonder if the entire creation joined in celebration of the manifestation of this gift to the world that was born in our nation. But even if a jealous wind snatched every word that the earth said, we would still stand here and wish you happy birthday.